New Holland 68 baler. Dad's been working on it all day today, and I think he was on it all day yesterday. So, what have you actually done to it first before you start her up? What have you been doing?
Another chain on here, drive chain.
New chain round this side here.
Yeah, new drive chain.
Yep.
What else have we done? Another chain and sprocket on there.
You've timed it all.
Yeah, timed it.
You've got all the timing.
Timed it all
Which
up.
you have markers on
there.
Here which show you where the timing is.
Timed it all up. Another knife. Sharpen both knives. Clean both knotter. What else? That's about it, really.
Yeah?
Yeah, and just basically greased it.
You're making it sound like you've not done a lot, but you've been here for like 2 days, so you've done more than he's making out. Greased it out. Have you greased up? Have you like Caleb? He says to Clarkson, shall we grease up? Right. And it runs alright as well, which is good.
Yeah, I'll fire it up.
So he's going to fire it up. Yeah, start her up. Let's have a watch. Shall I start a watch from the front? Oh. See, she's a little bit noisy, but at least she's moving and we've got guards to put on it. So what he'll need to do next is obviously he needs to sort out the pickup tines. There we go. It's going to be noisy. There we go, PTO's on the move. Pickup tines are moving. There we go, you can see the chain moving there. That'll do. Hopefully she works as good as our last one. I was saying hopefully she works as good as our last one. Just wonder why she's a little bit noisy, but other than that, at least it's more moving. Yeah.
Everything's all been set up tight, so I need That might be the noise.
You might have figured it out. Well, I did say I thought it might be catching on the bar.
Bar wants tightening. I need to let a little bit off of that chain. It's a little bit too tight. Apart from that.
Bloody chicken. Just a white chicken staring at us. Ah.
Try feeding them up through, see how they bail the chicken.
No, I'm not bailing the chickens. I'll bail you in a minute.
Bail the chicken. Yeah, we need to put another guide on there because that guide's not very good. So I think
The blue beast.
that is a goodie. There's another baler. Resurrected.
So there we go, guys. New Holland 68 baler that, well, do we know when it was last used?
About 4 or 5 years ago.
4 or 5 years ago. So it's not been used 4 or 5 years. He's given it a good service round, tidied it up, changed some bits, and now it's working. Hopefully, come summer, we'll get some nice bales out of her. We have to hope, because obviously the last one, she was, that last baler, well, how many bales would we have done with the last one? Because it was 3 seasons we used it, wasn't it? So that's good 3,000 odd.
About 3,000 a year, so.
Right. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.